him. You on the ground, you ain't calling shit.
Call him. Call him. Just call him. Just call him. That's it. No conversation. Just call him. We waiting. Call him. Call him. We do it. We fight out. Do what you gotta do. Where did they go?
Bad lady. I think that's it though. Because I'm just like you bad lady. So bad lady.
Okay.
You don't respect my shit. You would have never got that lady. But you don't respect my shit.
We fight cops.
So you know what?
I fight cops.
You fight your wife. You know what your wife would do? What she does best. Suck dick. What you want to do? You want to fight me?
There are children on the street.
I'll beat you up.
I'll let you fight him one-on-one.
I'm not going to touch you.
One-on-one.
What's up? One-on-one. I'm going to beat your ass in front of your wife.
That's